Hello everyone, you are on the Reactor AI channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to remove an extra person or object from a photo in just 10 seconds. From this image, we will get a similar result. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Well, let's get started. We can use Photoshop or a free online tool, photop.com. The instructions are identical. Take the photo where you need to remove the extra object or person. Then, on the toolbar on the left, select the lasso tool and outline the extra object or person. Make sure to leave a small margin so Photoshop knows how to fill the space using the surrounding environment. There's no need to be very precise. Once outlined, the selection is ready. The next step is to go to the Edit menu, Fill and Content Aware Fill. Select the option, press OK, and it's done. Let's try another photo to ensure everything works. Remember that there are more complex photos where the background is more detailed and some parts might remain after the first attempt. In that case, simply outline the remaining fragment and repeat the process. The tutorial is quite simple. If you found it helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. See you next time.